Now we have the shortcut menu. There are different methods by which you can access the shortcut menu. Your shortcut menu can display different shortcut menus when you right-click different areas of your screen. For instance, you can see this is your status bar. If you should right-click on your status bar here, you can see different options that comes out. We have your snap grid, so this is a shortcut menu that is displayed when you click on your status bar. So now the same thing applies to your command window. If you should right click on your command window, you can see the shortcut menu. You can see the commands that we have there. We have the recent commands, we have the copy history. We also have paste and then options. So that's another shortcut menu. So the same thing here, your layout bar, either or your model. If you should right click on it, you can see the shortcut menus that we have there. The template, new layout, page setup manager, plots, So these are the shortcut menus that we can have there as well. So now the same thing applies to your drawing area. You can see this is your drawing area. If you should right click on your drawing area, you can see the shortcut menus, the command that it gives. You have erase, you have recent input, you have cut, copy with base point, paste, you have undo erase, you have pan, you have zoom, you have quick select, you have find calculator. So these are some of the command tools that we have there as well. Now, for instance, if you should take a command, let's take a line command, and then we click on it. This is your line. Now, when you click on it, and then you select it, you can see that we have selected it here. We've selected it. We've selected here as well. So you can then right click. And then when you right click, you notice that the shortcut menus it produces are different from the initial ones. Here you can see we have additional commands of erase, of move, copy selection, scale, and then rotate, and other commands. So it is because you have what? You right clicked, it is because you selected this one. That is why you have all these other shortcut menus. Now there are different methods. For you to display a shortcut menu, a shortcut menu relevant to the cursor location is always displayed. Is it that these shortcut menus that have been displayed, they are all relevant to this? They are relevant to this object that has been selected. So that's exactly what your shortcut menu does. So now, you can control the display of buttons on your status bar. You can control the display of the buttons on your status bar. You have snap grid and all this. If you don't want this status bar these icons to show here, there is a way you can control it. All you just need to do is you come to this place, or you right click on this. Once you right click on this, and then you select or you clear. Once you clear, if you don't want snap, you notice that your snap is no more here. So let's right click here again. Let's click on grid. You notice that your grid is no more here. If you right click here again, you click on auto. You notice that your auto has not been here. It's because you have what? Unchecked it, or you have cleared it. So now all you just need to do is if you want to return it back, you right click here, and then you click on grid. You also right click here. You click on auto. You right click here, and then you click on snap. So by that, you have been able to display these buttons again. So also, you can also control the display of the coordinates on your status bar. Remember I told you that these are your coordinates. This is your X coordinate, this is your Y coordinate, and this is your Z coordinate. So if you want to control the display of these coordinates, all you need to do is what? You also what? You right click here on your, you right click here at this arrow end of the status bar. So once you right click here and then you clear this, you can see that the coordinate is no more there. It has disappeared. But if you want it to reappear again, you come here, you click on this, and then you check this. Automatically, your what? Coordinate has what? Has displayed again. So now, we also have what we call the dashboard. To display the dashboard, all you need to do is you go to your tools menu. Remember, this is your menu bar. You go to your tools menu and then click on tools. Once you click on tools, you come to your palettes. You come to your palette and then click on dashboard. You can see this is what we call your dashboard. So now let me close it again. Another way you can display your dashboard is you come to your command window and then you type dashboard. Dashboard and then enter. So once you enter, you can see these are the different what control panels that we have on the dashboard. Now when you move your cursor over this first one, you can see your 3D make control panel. When you move it over this place, you can see your 3D navigate control panel. When you move over this place, you can see your visual style control panel. When you move here, you have light control panel. Here you have materials control panel, and then here you have render control panel. So now, there's what we call the rollover behavior of the dashboard. If you want to engage the rollover behavior of the dashboard, you just come here. You can see you have an auto hide here. All you just need to do is you click on it. By the time you click on it, you can see that it's like it's hiding the what? It is hiding the other command tools. So if you want to use any of the command tools, you just move your cursor on it. It will display it. But once you take your cursor off it, it will enter again, it will hide. So that's what we call the rollover behavior of your dashboard. You go to your what? Auto hide. But if you don't want it to display your rollover behavior again, you just click on the auto hide. You can see that all the command tools are out again. Now, if you click on this control panel, you can see that it automatically brought out this. Now, this is what we call the slide out panel for this particular control panel. If you like, you can close it. You see, it has disappeared. Now, if you click on this, click on it, on the icon, you can see that this is also the another slide out panel for for the 3D navigate control panel. If you like, you can close it there. But if you don't want to close it there, you can also come here and click on this. Once you click on this other one, automatically this one will close, but it means this one will open. So let's try it like that. By the time you click on this, you can see that we can have the visual commands. The same thing applies here. If you click on this, you can have the materials command, or you can decide to close it. So if you click here as well, it will open the render command. So make sure you click on the icon. That is it. That is it. So those are the slide out panels that were shown there. Let me show you again. This is the slide out panel for your For your 3D make control panel. So let's close it again.